and welcome to your trusted health corner, where we care about your wellness, strength, and happiness in your golden years. If you're over 60 or care for someone who is, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about two things. 1. The top 5 fruits that help rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle that happens as we age. 2. And common foods that quietly harm aging bodies and what to eat instead. So make yourself a cup of green tea, sit back, and let's nourish your body and mind together. Let's start with a gentle reminder. After the age of 50, our muscle mass naturally begins to decline. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it affects up to 1/3 of adults over 60. But here's the good news: this process is not irreversible. With the right foods, especially fruits rich in certain nutrients, you can slow down or even rebuild lost muscle. And no, you don't need expensive powders or supplements. Nature already packed the answers in fruits you can find at your local bazaar or grocery store. Visual: bananas on a kitchen table. Being added to a smoothie, bananas are more than just a quick snack. They're packed with potassium and magnesium, two minerals that are essential for muscle function and recovery. Potassium helps prevent muscle cramps, a common issue in older adults. Magnesium helps in relaxing muscles, reducing fatigue, and supporting healthy nerve function. Why it's good for sarcopenia: bananas support muscle contraction, energy metabolism, and hydration, all crucial for maintaining strength as we age. How to eat it: add to your oatmeal in the morning. Blend into a smoothie with yogurt and chia seeds, or eat it with a spoonful of peanut butter for a protein-rich snack. Visual: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries in a bowl, and in a yogurt parfait. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. These little fruits are bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C. As we age, our body's ability to fight inflammation weakens, and chronic inflammation can make muscle loss worse. Why it's good for sarcopenia: vitamin C helps the body produce collagen, which keeps muscles and tendons strong. The antioxidants protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress, a major factor in age-related weakness. How to eat it: mix them in your dahi. Top them on whole grain toast with almond butter, or freeze them for a cool, refreshing snack. Visual: fast food, processed meats, sugary drinks slowly fading into red X symbols. Narrator: before we move to the next muscle-boosting fruit, let's pause and look at some foods you should avoid after 60. These may taste good, but they do real damage to your muscles, bones, and energy levels. Processed meats, sausages, cold cuts, and even some kebabs have preservatives and sodium that increase inflammation. Sugary drinks, cola, energy drinks, even sweetened juices spike your blood sugar and drain magnesium. White bread and refined carbs, they cause insulin spikes, which are linked to faster muscle breakdown. What to eat instead: whole grains like oats, barley, and millet. Natural beverages like lemon water or coconut water. Fresh protein sources: lentils, eggs, and grilled chicken. Visual: slicing an avocado, spreading it on toast, mixing in a salad. Narrator: avocado is creamy, delicious, and full of healthy fats, potassium, and B-vitamins. It helps your body absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin D and E, which are essential for muscle repair and hormone balance. Why it's good for sarcopenia: healthy fats fight inflammation, support testosterone and estrogen balance, and help deliver nutrients directly into muscle cells. How to eat it: spread on whole grain toast with a pinch of salt and lemon. Add to salads with olive oil or blend into a green smoothie. We've covered 3 amazing fruits so far that help you fight muscle loss and regain strength after 60. But we're not done yet. We'll reveal 2 more powerhouse fruits, a secret tip about fruit timing and muscle repair, and a simple daily fruit plan designed just for older adults. So stay with us. If you found this helpful so far, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more senior wellness tips, and remember, your health is your true wealth. We explored 3 powerful fruits that help rebuild muscle and slow down sarcopenia: bananas, berries, and avocados. Now, let's complete our top 5 list and talk about when to eat fruit for better muscle repair, plus a daily routine just for you. Let's jump right back in. Visual: juicy oranges being peeled, juiced, and eaten fresh. Oranges: sweet, juicy, and refreshing. But did you know they're also one of the best fruits for tissue repair? They're rich in vitamin C, which helps the body build collagen, a protein needed for muscle strength, joint health, and skin elasticity. Why it's good for sarcopenia. Vitamin C also helps in the absorption of iron, a mineral critical for energy and preventing fatigue in older adults. How to eat it. Enjoy one orange with breakfast. Squeeze fresh juice without sugar after a light walk. Add orange segments to spinach salads. Pro tip. Avoid packaged orange juice. It's often loaded with sugar and lacks the fiber that slows sugar absorption. Visual. A pomegranate being cut open, seeds sprinkled on yogurt, and juiced fresh. Pomegranate is a hidden gem when it comes to senior muscle health. It's loaded with polyphenols and nitrates, compounds that help improve blood flow, lower inflammation, and deliver more oxygen to muscles. Why it's good for sarcopenia. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery to muscles. This helps reduce muscle fatigue and enhances recovery after physical activity. How to eat it. Add pomegranate seeds to your morning yogurt. Mix into salads or sprinkle on lentil dishes. Drink fresh juice in moderation after light exercise. Real life tip. Studies show that drinking 1/2 cup of pomegranate juice before or after a walk improves muscle oxygenation and energy levels in older adults. Let's talk about when to eat fruit, because timing matters, especially if you want to maximize muscle recovery and energy. Morning, empty stomach. Bananas or oranges give you a clean energy boost, plus vital minerals like potassium to kickstart your muscles. After light exercise or walking. This is the best time to have berries or pomegranate juice. Your body is primed to absorb nutrients that aid in recovery. Evening with dinner. A few avocado slices with dinner support overnight repair and healthy hormone function. Avoid eating large amounts of fruit right before bed, especially high sugar ones, as it can interfere with insulin and disrupt sleep. Narrator. Here's a simple, realistic plan you can follow. No complicated recipes or expensive ingredients. Morning, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. 1 banana or 1 orange. Herbal tea or lukewarm water with lemon. Mid-morning snack 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Handful of berries or 1/2 cup yogurt with berries. Light activity. 15 to 20 minute walk. Afternoon to p.m. to 3 p.m. Pomegranate seeds mixed with lunch salad. Or a small glass 100 milliliters of pomegranate juice. Evening 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Avocado with dinner, mashed, sliced, or in a salad. Warm milk with turmeric. Healthy, not fruit, but amazing for muscle recovery. Visual. Seniors gardening, doing yoga, preparing fruits in a sunny kitchen. Muscle loss is common, but not destiny. With simple changes in your daily routine, like adding the right fruits, moving your body gently, and avoiding harmful processed foods, you can stay stronger, more active, and full of life. Your 60s and beyond can be powerful years. Let your food work for you, not against you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more expert-backed tips on healthy aging. And remember, Sahatman Budapa, Naya Jivan Hai USA Kushi Esi Guzari. We've covered the top 5 fruits for rebuilding muscle after 60. We've looked at what foods to avoid, the best times to eat fruits, and a full day plan. Now, in this final part, let's answer some common questions from viewers just like you, and clear up a few myths that may be confusing you or your loved ones. Can fruits alone stop sarcopenia? Great question, and the honest answer is no. Fruits are one part of the solution. They provide vitamins, antioxidants, and hydrating power, but muscle building also needs protein and movement. So, combine your fruit intake with light strength exercises, even chair workouts, protein sources like eggs, lentils, yogurt, or fish. Staying hydrated. Muscles need water. Are dried fruits okay for seniors? Dried fruits like dates, raisins, or apricots can be beneficial in moderation, especially if you have low energy or poor appetite. However, here are a few precautions. They are calorie-dense and high in sugar, so limit to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. Always choose unsweetened, unsulfured dried fruits. Drink water with them. They are dehydrating. Mix 2 to 3 chopped dates into your morning oats with a few almonds for a nutrient-rich boost. What about fruit sugar? Isn't it bad? This is a common fear, and yes, excessive sugar is harmful, but fruit sugar, or fructose, in whole fruits, not juices or syrups, comes with fiber, water, and nutrients that slow down sugar absorption. That means no major blood sugar spikes like sweets or soda. Fruit juices, canned fruits in syrup, or fruit-flavored snacks, whole fruits with skin, fiber, and natural form. You shouldn't eat fruit after 60. Fruits are one of the most natural, healing foods for aging bodies. The key is what and when you eat. You only need protein to rebuild muscle. Protein is essential, but without supporting nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and healthy fats, your muscles can't absorb or use protein effectively. Sarcopenia is just part of aging. Nothing can be done. Sarcopenia is common, but not inevitable. Clinical studies show that with nutrition, hydration, and daily movement, muscle strength and function can improve, even into your 80s. Here's what you can do starting today. Keep fruits visible in your kitchen. It's easier to choose health when it's in front of you. Make one fruit part of every meal, even if it's just a few slices of banana or a spoonful of berries. Walk or stretch 15 minutes a day. Even light movement helps muscles use the nutrients you eat. Avoid ultra-processed snacks and replace them with real, natural foods like nuts, fruit, or yogurt. It's not about perfection. It's about small, daily choices that add up over time. Older adult tying shoes, heading outside with a smile, cutting fruit in the kitchen with a grandchild nearby. Every bite you take can be a step toward better strength, more energy, and a longer, happier life. So go ahead. Peel that orange, blend that banana, sprinkle those pomegranate seeds, and know that you're caring for your muscles, your mind, and your future. If this series inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more expert-backed wellness tips for healthy aging. And as always, Sehatman Baden, Kushhal Zindagi. Take care of yourself, because you deserve to live strong and well. At every age, we've shared the facts. We've talked about the fruits. We've answered your questions and busted some myths. But now comes the most important part. How do you turn this knowledge into a habit that sticks? Because we all know, information without action changes nothing. So in this final part, let's talk about how to stay consistent, build a routine, and keep your body strong through every season of life, starting today. Let's simplify everything we've learned into 3 easy pillars you can remember daily. Ask yourself, is this food helping me grow stronger or making me weaker? Choose meals that combine 1 fruit for vitamins plus antioxidants, 1 protein for muscle repair, 1 fiber-rich carb for sustained energy, example, oatmeal plus banana plus flaxseed plus boiled egg equals a perfect start. Move with intention. You don't need to lift heavy weights. Even 15 to 20 minutes of daily movement makes a difference. Try this simple muscle-preserving routine. 10 wall push-ups, 10 sit-to-stand chair reps, 10 leg raises sitting or lying down, 10-minute walk after lunch or dinner, just 20 to 30 minutes a day can slow muscle loss, improve balance, and reduce risk of falls. Muscle rebuilding doesn't happen while you're moving. It happens while you sleep and rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Drink turmeric milk or chamomile tea at night. Switch off screens 1 hour before bed. Give your muscles the environment they need to heal, grow, and stay strong. To help you stay on track, here's a weekly fruit plan that rotates key nutrients, supports digestion, and prevents boredom. Day morning fruit midday boost evening at on Monbene yogurt with berry avocado with dinner 2 handful of strawberry pomegranate seeds *wed pay mixed berry smoothie avocado toast *through a pomegranate Juicy arranged slices asterisk fribanab blueberries with dahi avocado and lentils asterisk sat guavable slices and walnut pomegranate on salad asterisk sun seasonal mix mango small portion avocado with quinoa. Asterisk 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 adjust based on availability and digestion comfort. Asterisk fresh and local is always best. Asterisk 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 let me remind you of something powerful. Asterisk asterisk you're not weak. Asterisk you're not too old. Asterisk your body has not given up on you, so don't give up on it. Asterisk asterisk whether you're 60 or 85. The human body can heal, adapt, and grow stronger, especially when supported with the right foods, movement, rest, and mindset. Asterisk asterisk every banana you eat, every walk you take, every extra glass of water, these are all small victories. You are investing in more independence, less pain, and more joy in daily life. Asterisk asterisk you're not just aging. Asterisk you're evolving. Asterisk you're reclaiming your strength. Asterisk you're leading by example. Asterisk asterisk if no one told you this today. Asterisk you are doing great. Asterisk you are worth the effort. Asterisk and your health is a gift, not a burden. Asterisk asterisk so go ahead, fill your fruit bowl with power. Asterisk stretch, breathe, and smile. Asterisk the best is still ahead. Asterisk asterisk subscribe for more weekly guides, wellness tips, and heart-centered support just for you. Asterisk asterisk until next time, stay strong, stay kind, and stay growing. Asterisk Allah Hafiz. Asterisk asterisk asterisk.